This is the unboxing video for the LA400 and LA412DC, which is the primary arm that you would use as a replacement for the LA400 PKG-UL and the LA412 PKG-UL. So as you can see, the box is really nice and tightly packed. And inside is very simple. You get the arm with the cable attached. And you're gonna have a big plastic bag taped to the box so that way it doesn't move around during transport, with the release keys, very important, and then all the extra hardware to attach the arm to the bracket, the brackets. So you have the back bracket, the front bracket, post bracket, in order for you to attach the operator to the gate. So again, you just get one bag taped. Remember, you have the keys and then all the hardware necessary for the installation. And this is what you get when you buy the LA400DC or 412DC.